A feature roadmap offers a visual overview of the development and release of key product features and their dependencies. It's a different look at the same data that a product roadmap shows, but filters the information by teams and shows dependencies. This report gives management an important overview of product development at a glance and can help with future planning initiatives. With Visual Script added to your dashboard, select Built-in Reports and choose Jira Feature Roadmap. Visual Script will need a few bits of data before it generates the report. First, you'll need to specify the Agile Release Train project you want to report on using its project key. You can enter multiple projects separated by commas. Next, you'll need to list the fixed versions you want to see. You will also need to name the teams you want the filter to include in this report. Visual Script uses the component field to gather team data, but if you're using a different field to store team information, you can type that in here. Then choose whether or not you want to show dependency lines between the epics. Click Run to run the report. The generated report will show columns that correspond to your program increments with start and end dates. Under each PI, you'll see all the epics that belong there, showing which team or teams are working on them. You'll also see the number of stories that are under each epic and the percentage of them that are considered resolved. You'll notice the color of these dots in each issue represents their status. To Do is blue, In Progress is yellow, and Done is green. Lines between epics will show dependencies across PIs and teams. Everything is linked to data in Jira if you want to dig deeper. In fact, the report has a built-in expanded view option for each epic. You can click on the expanded view icon in the lower right corner of an epic and bring up a grid that shows you all your stories with story points and shows you which teams they're assigned to and their dependencies. If you're an administrator, you can use the Report Builder to edit features of the report. You can choose parameters to change the options users will see in the UI of the report. Or use the code editor to customize every detail of the look of the report, like shape size, spacing, and arrangement. For instance, changing the color value here changes the color in those shapes when you run the report. Like all Visual Script reports, feature roadmaps can be fully customized, giving you cross-team visibility at scale unique to your needs and organizational structure.